What's up, T-Squad? It's your girl Kirsty, back with another piping hot brew of live stream drama. Today we've got a spicy one. Tremaine and Kilo are calling out Vakaybae, Judge Shady Court is on the warpath with AT2, and Maggot's flipping flops are causing chaos across the black tea sector. Grab your favorite mug, settle in, and let's spill this tea. So, first up, kicking it with Tremaine and Kilo, and they say Vakaybae is corny and slow. They say Vakaybae looks crazy chasing after a man she never met, and she is not the shit she better get up out their faces. Judge Shady Court is mad with AT2. She says he's just a hater. She said, "Fuck you and your subscribers." She says he plots and lies to his subs. She said she is canceling AT2. She says the only people that like him are the subs he lies to all day. Judge says 50 Cent is probably suing AT2, as he received a cease and desist due to his video about 50 Cent's baby mama. She said she is sick of him disrespecting the women in the black tea sector. She said he thinks he runs YouTube, but in reality no one likes him. She said he needs to stop starting shit and shove his advice they don't want it. She said he's a cheap bastard and doesn't give back to his community. She said she is her official enemy till the Lord comes down, said it's up and stuck forever. Judge Shady Court says when are people going to call him out for the shady shit that he does behind the scenes? She said he called her and said, "Are you in Yolanda's chat?" Judge says she will go where she wants. She claims she doesn't have to buy subscribers unlike AT2. Judge says he's a manipulative snake. She says AT2 should go get a job. She said AT2 will end up in a Tash K situation because he just chases clout. She said fame costs Tough Turtle. Judge said AT2 attacked Yolanda the Great, calling her a crackhead. AT2 was attacking Yolanda at any chance he got. Judge Shady Court replied to him on her community wall after she says he fake apologized. She said AT2 always goes into different sectors just to start shit. She said he's a hot mess. AT2 received a cease and desist from 50 Cent publishing company G-Unit Books. Judge says it's because he never does his research. He just takes other people's content. AT2 is apparently just laughing about the situation and enjoying the clout. She said if 50 Cent was to drag him, he wouldn't handle it. She said she has had to talk him off a ledge many times. She said, "Let me be clear, Turtle, you're no match for 50 Cent. Judge said, "Fuck your opinion AT2 after you disrespected the whole sector." Judge said, "Don't think you can come back to the sector instigating we don't want you here." She said, "You better back down, Turtle." She said, "Stop inserting your wide butt. You're a shit start. Leave the women alone." Judge said, "Fuck your podcast these nuts." Judge said, "Learn to do some research." She said, "He never has the same energy with a man, but he will go to war with a woman." Judge said, "He needs to go bust himself one out." She said, "You're officially canceled." Next we have Lady Letitia, who was on her panel with Paula M talking about Maggot. Apparently Maggot messaged everyone she knew on YouTube to get help with Danny. Paula M says Maggot is just a liar and won't come between her and Ron. Paula said she had no idea how much drama was going on. Lady Letitia said Maggot put on a fake facade and she can't even count on one hand how many people she is fighting. Paula M said she distanced herself due to Jaguar Wright and not agreeing with her, and she was being attacked in chats for not agreeing with Jaguar, so she was out of the loop. Lady L says Maggot flip-flops. Paula M said it was funny to watch Ron go off at Maggot. Now next up, Tree says she doesn't know why she is on Maggot's radar. AT2 said he didn't call Maggot a racist, but Tree stands on the fact Maggot is a self-hating person. Tree says she still prays for Aaron and hopes he is in a better place than last time they spoke. Tree says Maggot is weird for saying she was a proud white woman. Tree said, "No one is afraid of you, Maggie." Trees says watching Maggot is painful and she would rather watch Jag. Now back to Maggot, she says Ron was the one who taught her how to do lives. Then she proceeded to say, "Is he stupid or dumb?" "Yes, I know, that makes no sense." Trees said she would rather watch Jag than Maggot. Trees says most of Maggot's content is just clickbait. Trees said, "She is self-hating Canadian." Whew, that was a lot of tea. Let me know in the comments which moment had you clutching your cup. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. I'm Kirsty. Thanks for listening to Dropping the Tea. Stay curious and keep sipping.